Hey everyone, hope you all doing good. Welcome back to the channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be taking you through how you can be able to withdraw your money or earnings from the Garna.io application or website. So if you haven't watched a video I made about this platform, I'll be leaving the link to it in the video description and then the pinned comment section. Make sure to watch that and then know how the platform works, and then also how to create and then verify your account successfully. So without wasting much of your time, let me go right ahead and then show you how everything is done. So first we need to open our Garna app or account and then log in into it, and then you can see over here I'm having a total of $40 or $40 in my account, which I'm going to be using in this tutorial to show you how you can be able to withdraw your money from your Garna account to your withdrawal method of your choice successfully. So when you're on the home page over here, I want you to click on the withdraw button over here, and then once you click on that, it will take you to this withdrawal page over here. So on the withdrawal page you have options which you can choose from, ranging from bank transfer to card, electronic wallet, and then cryptocurrency. You can use any kind of method that you want, but I'm going to be utilizing cryptocurrency in this video and then show you how that is done. So let's click on cryptocurrencies, and then I'm going to be choosing USDT TRC20 or TIDA TRC20, which comes with a withdrawal fee of 4.29%, and then the limit starting from $11, and I'm having $40 in my account, which means we can be able to do the withdrawal. So let's click on TIDA TRC20, and then from here they are asking us for our withdrawal address, which is the USDT TRC20 address. So let me go to my wallet or exchange and then copy my address. You can use any kind of wallet that you want. It can either be a Trust wallet or an exchange, which in case you can use Binance or Bybit or any kind of exchange of your choice. So once you're on your wallet or exchange, I want you to click on deposit, and then from the deposit you will search for USDT TRC20, or you simply click on the USDT TRC20 if you see it in the options over there. And then for the network for the coin, you have to select TRC20 and then make sure that it matches with what you have selected in the Garna application for successful withdrawal. Make sure you don't make any kind of mistakes over here, because wrong crypto transactions can't be reversed back. So once I've gotten my address over here, I'll head back to the Garna application and then paste in that address, and then paste in the address and click on continue. So over here they're asking us for the amount that we want to withdraw, which in this case I'm going to be withdrawing all, and then mind you there is a 4.29 withdrawal percentage fee, which in total we are going to be receiving $35 to this wallet address. So let's click on withdraw and then wait for it to process everything and then send our withdrawal. So as you can see over here, we are already processing your payment. So in a few minutes to an hour, our withdrawal is going to be processed successfully and then sent to our Binance account. So once that is done, I'm going to show you the proof. So it's been well over like 34 minutes, and then our deposit is successful, or our withdrawal have been successful to our Binance account or our exchange or wallet. And as you can see over here, I've received a confirmation message from Binance that 35 USDT have been successfully deposited into my Binance account. So let me go to my Binance and then show you if the money have actually reflected, and which you can see over here that $35 or the 35 USDT have actually reflected in my account over here. So that is pretty much it on how you can be able to withdraw your money from Garna.io account to your preferred withdrawal method. So thanks for watching once again. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to support it, and then like the video if you find it helpful. And then also, if you face any kind of issues or problems doing this, make sure to write it down in the comment section. I'll do my very possible best to attend to each and every single one of the comments. So bye.